The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. The teaching is the 3 secret mantras for wiping up. It blesses our contemplation and is explained through a lineage. We use a clear samadhi to study and understand it. We explain it by teaching its essence, describing it to be a teaching of perfect enjoyment, describing it to be a manifestation of natural compassion. The Pure Land is the dominion of the magnificent sky, or it might be the 3,000 worlds. This is how they are described at the beginning of the Vinaya. The place is not defined. It is endless. It is wherever the 6 classes of sentient beings want to be. It is where innumerable beings dwell, endless places, including Vajrasana. There are lords of sages beyond counting. In their summation, they are the 6 manifest wisdoms. They use techniques, the power of control and the renunciation of enjoyments, to be lamps to guide living beings. Their retinue are those who have found false paths, and sentient beings of the 6 classes. There are monks and all the rest in a variety of forms. They are retinues representing a variety of communities. He takes them in using the way of the 3 baskets, and uses the power of their different preferences to teach them in keeping with the way things are presented on the stages of the lesser vehicles. But all of them listen to the bodhicitta and are joined in an uncontrived, self-evident light. In the essence of secret wisdom, the way things appear is the way that they are. This treasury of the luminescence of the secret mirror is like the light at the heart of the sun. It shines. It is totally distinct from any object. It is none other than the state of totality. It is itself beyond the objects that are for thinking or talking. Non-conceptual compassion is pervasive like the sky. There is no consciousness that holds on to the sky. The teacher is me. The teaching is me. The community and audience is me. The compiler is me. I am the self-luminous. I abide in myself. I am nothing at all. I am clear light. So he spoke. From the Great Tantra equal to the end of the sky, this is the 10th chapter, a perfect store.